Okay, let's go ahead and go over our review cards. Suffix ed, already happened. Suffix s, more than one, plural. Suffix ing, happening now. Suffix less, without. Whale, w. Fox, x. Jar, j. Balloon, b. Cube, u. And this symbol right there, that means a vowel, consonant E. So anytime you see a vowel and a consonant E, it makes that long sound. Hose, O. Goat, G. Equal, E. Fish, F. Line, U. Concrete, E. Hook, U. Duck, K. Tooth, U. Hat, H. Overalls, O. Acorn, A. Nest, N. Octopus, A. Dog, D. Tent, T. Cat, K. Elephant, E. Sheep, E. Umbrella, Turtle, Shark, sh. Pig, p. Icicle, I. Dime, I. Rabbit, Sun, s. Monkey, m. Unicorn, u. Yarn, y. Vest, v. Wagon, w. Butter, Doctor, Zebra, z. Apple, a. Inch, I. Feather, v. Thimble, f. Kite, k. Anchor, k. Chef, sh. Rose, z. Cake, a. Bird, Quilt, qua. Star, r. Cheese, ch. Dollar, Horse, or. Bubble, bull. Staple, pull. Candle, dole. Bugle, goal. Bottle, toll. Ruffle, full. Cry, I. Okay, and the next one we are learning today is candy, E. Don't. Together. Come. Said. Could. To. Some. Have. They. You. Today. There. Was. Something. The. Are. Love. From. For. Tomorrow. Do. To. Who. Into. Where. Should. There. What. Were. Won't. Would. Of. Want. Your. Ate. Been. Bush. Does. Fool. Push. Put. Says. One. And that is our last one. Okay, let's go ahead to our lesson for today. Here is our spelling words for the week. We have already walked through these on Monday. So make sure you practice saying these words and spelling the words and practice writing your sentences, okay? Remember, you got these two tricky words, were and where, okay? Today, we are playing bingo. So, listen for the sounds or the words that I say. Let's begin. Cover the final spelling in the word hike. Final spelling in the word hike. Cover the final spelling in the word fumble. Final spelling in the word fumble. Cover the final spelling in the word well. Final spelling in the word well. Remember, final is the last position of the word. Cover the final spelling in the word tree. Final spelling in the word tree. Cover the vowel spelling in the word make. Vowel spelling in the word make. That A consonant E. Cover the final spelling in the word my. The final spelling in the word my. Cover the initial sound in the word even. Initial sound for the word, or sound in the word even. Initial means the beginning. Cover the final spelling in the word pluck. Final spelling in the word pluck. Cover the initial sound in the word acid. Initial sound in the word acid. Cover the final spelling in the word hook. Final spelling in the word hook. We have bingo. Okay. Flip your papers over. Review words. Echo after me. Number 1. Dry. D-R-Y. Number 2. Trick. T-R-I-C-K. And number 3, after. A-F-T-E-R. Number 4, sight words. Goes. G-O-E-S. Number 5, pool. P-U-L-L. And number 6, says. S-A-Y-S. All right, I'm going to write some words on the board. Echo these words and listen to the sound you hear in the final position. Candy. 20. Clumsy. What sound do you hear in the final position? The sound, not letter. What sound do you hear in the final position? The E sound, the long E sound. What letter is making that sound? The Y, exactly. So, how many syllables are in these words? So, how many syllables are in each word? Can't pop your fingers. Candy. There's 2. 20. Clumsy. There are 2 syllables in each word. That's correct. So these are 2-syllable words. So we will use our syllable division pattern to divide them before coding. So we have to divide our words with our V, C, C, V pattern. V, C, C, V. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Because our Y is acting like a vowel because it's making the long E sound, and the way to code a long E sound for the letter Y is just a dot, just a dot. Now we know it's going to make the E sound. So look at the vowel Y in each of these words. Is it in the accented vowel? Nope, because we say the first part. Right here, we divide it. We divide between the two consonants. Okay, so the accented vowel or the accented syllable is in the front. Okay. All right, so when vowel Y is open and not accented, it usually says the E sound. Vowel Y can make two sounds. Okay, vowel Y can make two sounds. I and E, just like the vowels A, E, I, O, and U can make two sounds. If you see a vowel Y and you don't know where the accent is, try both sounds and see which one sounds right. This will tell you where to put the accent. If the Y says I, it is most likely accented. If the Y says E, it is most likely not accented, okay? So the accents can be important. However, if you don't understand where to put the accents, then just try to say this word as candy or candy and see which one makes more sense. Okay? So now let's continue coding this A. When I have a vowel followed by a consonant, I code it with a breathe. Okay? There's an A after a C, so what does that mean for the C? When there's an A, O, U, or any consonant, you put a K back on the C. Now we know how to say this word. Candy. Right here we have a vowel followed by a consonant. We code it with a breathe. Twa. That's a blend. TW is a blend. It says twa, twa, and T. 20. It's not twenty, 20. And then here we have a vowel followed by a consonant. We code it with a breathe. And there is a consonant after the C, so we put a K back. Now we know how to say this word as clumsy. Clumsy. All right, now here is something I'm going to throw at you guys with our Y's. These are the words symbol and type. What vowel does the Y sound like in the word symbol? Symbol. The short I, right? It sounds like a short I. So how will we code this? So how will we code a short I sound for the Y, when the Y makes a short I sound? So we are going to simply put a dot and a breathe. Okay, so the rest of this is V, C, C, V. Whoops. And we put our division line. Okay, this O does not make an aw sound, symbol. It doesn't say that, okay? It has the schwa, so that upside down E. So now we know it says symbol. Okay. What vowel does the Y sound like in the word type? So in this word, what sound does it make? Type. Type makes the long sound. So how are we going to code the long sound for type? We're going to put the dot with the macron. Exactly. And then the E is not saying anything, so we cross it out. Type. Okay. So I showed you the picture part already. It was the can, be, E sound. Number 7, going to your review, your new sounds and words. So your new sound is E. So we are going to say that as E, comma, E, final, digraph, E, comma, Y. E, comma, E, final, digraph, E, comma, Y. Okay, E, comma, E, final, digraph, E, comma, Y. Okay, so you guys might need to practice that a little bit, but that's how you say that, okay? Number 8, 40, F-O-R-T-Y. Number 9, handy, H-A-N-D-Y. And number 10, party, P-A-R-T-Y. Okay, remember to practice reading and spelling each one of these words. Let's go to our worksheets. So we have the vowel Y with just the dot, which makes the long E sound, okay? So looking at this word, and when the Y is acting like a vowel, you have the V, C, C, V pattern. Division line. When my vowel is followed by a consonant, I code it with a breathe. And then here, it is just a dot. Fifth, E, I, T, 50, 50. Here's digraph E, cross out the second E, put a maker on the first E, and we can say this word as free, free. This right here is the number 50. Okay, so remember your accent, when you have an accent, so our Y is not in the accent part of the syllable, 50. We say fifth with a higher pitched voice, and then T, that is not accented. Here is a one-syllable word. So in one-syllable words, all one-syllable words are accented. So we know that this Y is going to make the long I sound. So you put a dot with a macron. Okay, sorry, it's kind of connecting to my macron. This is a blend, dr blend, dr, I, dry. Okay. Oh, here's a final stable syllable. Cross out the E. You always want to look for that first for your final stable syllables. Then I have a U followed by a consonant. I code it with a breathe. And you say this as full, ruffle. This is a ruffle. Then, okay, so once again, I have a V, C, C, V pattern. My accent is going to be over here. So my Y is going to make the long E sound. And my vowel is followed by a consonant. I code it with a breathe. I have an FL blend, full, MZ, flimsy, flimsy. And then right here, I have the vowel consonant E rule, so that makes my vowel long. There is also an A after a C. When there's an A, O, U, or any consonant after a C, we put a K back on the C. And this word says cane, cane. Okay, going to your paragraph. My uncle gave me a puppy from a pet store. We will get to see it after school. When the puppy gets here, we need to feed it first and then let it sleep. What will we do first? We just read that. What does it say? We need to feed it first. First. Important word, first. We will feed it first. Period. Okay? This is where I found the answer to question 7. Prove your answers. Where did the uncle get the puppy? Let's see. My uncle gave me a puppy from a pet store. A pet store right there. The puppy will want to sleep, yes or no? Well, let's see. We will need to feed it and then let it sleep. So apparently it needs to sleep, yes. So answer right here to question 8 and answer right here to question 9. Okay, make sure you practice this side, code your words, practice reading your words, and then do the paragraph on the bottom, answer the questions. There's actually 2 separate set of sentences to answer number 7, and then number 8 goes with this one. Okay, that's it for today. Have a great day.